Hi folks, I'm Gary Dunshee with Big Bend Saddlery Tack Tip, and this month just wanted to show you a pretty easy way to put a quirt snap on your saddle string. When I went to work in the shop in 1971, we had a lot of foreign exchange students here working on ranches that came from south of here a little ways, and anyhow they liked to pack a quirt with them. Almost all the cowboys back then did pack quirts on their saddles, so when we built one we just incorporated a quirt snap into the offside front string. But I see a lot of guys using them today. They're kind of going back to that, and so I was just going to show you an easy way to get a snap onto your string so you can carry one hopefully not lose it. These little shap snaps work pretty good, but get a good one. The brass ones with the spring made out of stainless are the best, and the little chrome plated ones, they're not so good. These are good. They're not the greatest in the world, but they're pretty good. Okay, we're going to put our snap up, go down through it from the top, and I've cut a slit. This would be my saddle string here. I've cut a slit in it, and I'm going to shove the whole snap pretty much through it, or the top half, and then I'm going to force this down underneath the spring. So I've got that. I'm going to start pulling it back, and now I'm going to get the hole that I punched and work it up and go over the snap like that. And now your quirt, your string goes ahead and runs on down your saddle and lays flat, and then your quirt, however it attaches, usually with a string, leather string, you just snap it in there, and you don't have to keep it around your hand all day. Hope that helps. If we can help with anything else, give us a call.